Hello friends, in this video, I am going to explain how to find the largest number among three numbers. So let's see how this program is written in C. Here I am writing a program. Has include stdio.h. Has include stands for preprocessor directive and stdio.h stands for standard input output header file. Okay, because this header file contains the printf and scanf function inside it, so that I can use these functions in the program. So next, void main, opening curly bracket, int a, b, c, semicolon, three variables are declared. In the printf statement, I am writing enter three values, colon, double quotation and bracket and semicolon. Scanf within double quotation, percentile d, percentile d, percentile d, double quotation end, comma, ampersand a, comma, ampersand b, comma, ampersand c, bracket says semicolon. Next, if I'm using the logic, this logic will give me the highest number or the greatest number among these three numbers. So my logic is, if I'll check a greater than b and a greater than c. Definitely, if one number is greater than two numbers, then this number will be the largest. So I can write here printf percentile d is largest, double quotation end, comma, a, semicolon. The value of a will be placed here. If this statement is true, if this condition will be true, if this is true, then this statement will be executed and a is the largest. A will be the largest. So in the next, else if b greater than a and b greater than c, printf within double quotation I can write percentile d is largest, double quotation end, comma, b, semicolon. It means it will check the value of b, that whether b is greater than a and b is greater than c. If these two conditions will be true, then this statement will be executed. Otherwise, the next else statement will be executed. So in the else statement, it will be written like this: percentile d is largest within double quotation, comma, c, bracket and semicolon, then main function close. Okay, so let's see here. There are three different variables, a, b, and c. In the scanf statement, I will enter three numbers from the keyboard. For example, for the value of a, I am entering 10. For value of 12, I am entering 15. For value of c, I am entering 20. So if the condition will check it like this: if a greater than b, if a greater than b and a greater than c. So here 10 greater than 15, this is false. This is false. And 10 greater than 20, this is also false. So the output will be false here. So this condition will not be executed. That means This condition is false, so this statement will not be executed. This statement will not be executed. Not execute. Okay. So next, move to B greater than A and B greater than C. It means 15 greater than 10 and 15 greater than 20. So this condition is true, but this is false. So we know false and true will give us the false value. False and true will give us the false value. So this condition is false for particularly this value. So this statement will not be executed, not execute. And finally, in the else statement, if the first two conditions are false, then finally the else block will be executed. That means C will be the largest. That means 20 will be the largest. Okay, so let's run the program using dev C++ editor and see what is the output. Here I have opened my dev C++ editor. From the file, I'm selecting new. From the new, I'm selecting source files. Now I'll write the program as include stdio.h required main opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. So first int a comma b comma c. I'm declaring three variables. Then within printf function, I'm writing enter values colon semicolon. Then scanf double quotation %d comma %a comma %b comma %c semicolon. Okay, if now I'm using the logic if a greater than b and a greater than c, then in the printf statement I can write %d is largest. Okay. Control X a semicolon. Next, else if b greater than a and b greater than c, printf %d is largest, comma b semicolon, else printf %d largest, comma c semicolon. Okay, so I have already explained how the program will execute. Now let's see. First compile the program. When I will compile it, it will ask me to save the program. So I'm saving in the name of LEC 23 with C source files.c extension. So now my program is saved and the compilation results came. You can see errors and warnings are 0. That means my program is correct. So now let's execute it and see how the values are showing. So I am entering 10, 15, then 20. 20 is largest. Yes. Again, again I am entering three different values. Suppose 100, 28, 67. 100 is largest. Okay. In this way, we can get the largest among three numbers. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.